This is a 1971 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. It's kickstart only. It's not matching numbers, but they're both 1971 frame and a 1971 engine. Both XLCHs. We've been kicking it for a while. It's fired up, it's cut out, and we've given up. So it's not locked. It is going to be a runner. He'll just need a bit of time on it to set things up on it. It's got some Springer forks on it. The back brake works on it, the front doesn't, although it's a nice billet caliper. Needs a bit of work. Nice project. It'll be on eBay if you want more details.